Deisy Garcia, aka at Miss Curvy Doll, on OnlyFans is a total bombshell in the plus-size modeling world. This Latina stunner is turning heads and breaking hearts all over social media with her killer curves and unshakable confidence. To the Big Apple, San Salvador, El Salvador. Daisy's now living it up in the fashion capital of the world, New York City. Talk about a glow up. She kicked off her modeling career in 2019, and boy, did she make a splash. Her TikTok and Instagram blew up faster than you can say viral, catapulting her to the top of the plus-size modeling game in the US. Curves for days. Standing at 5'7" with an hourglass figure that just won't quit. Daisy's redefining what it means to be hot in the fashion world. Her measurements, 3, 6, 2, 8, 4, 7 inches, are the stuff of dreams. And her brown hair and eyes paired with that glowing skin, pure fire. When it comes to fashion, Daisy's all about embracing those curves. From skin-tight dresses to barely there bikinis. She rocks everything with a confidence that's seriously contagious. Social media queen. Daisy's killing it in the digital world with over 1.4 million TikTok followers and 679K on Instagram. She's basically royalty among curvy Latina influencers in the US. But it's on OnlyFans where things really heat up. Under the username at Miss Curvy Doll, Daisy shares more intimate content with her fans. It's like getting a backstage pass to her life, and trust me, her fans are loving every second of it. More than just a pretty face. Sure, Daisy's gorgeous, but she's got skills too. This girl can dance like nobody's business, especially when it comes to twerking. She often drops dance videos on her socials, and let me tell you, they're hypnotizing. She's also a digital content creator and fashion enthusiast, dishing out tips on everything from style to makeup. Basically, she's the cool big sister we all wish we had. Shaking up the fashion world. Daisy isn't just modeling, she's on a mission. She's challenging those outdated beauty standards and spreading the gospel of body positivity. She's worked with some big-name fashion and beauty brands, proving that sexy comes in all sizes. The girl behind the gram. Despite all the fame, Deisy managed to keep some things under wraps. She's single, cue the collective gasp from her admirers, but that's about all we know about her love life. What we do know is that she's all about self-love and acceptance. Her message, love yourself, curves and all. It's no wonder her fans are ride or die loyal. Fan favorite. Speaking of fans, Daisy's got the whole interaction thing down pat. She's always chatting with her followers on social media, replying to comments, and even getting them involved in her content. It's like being part of the coolest, most body positive club ever. On OnlyFans, things get even more personal. Exclusive photos, behind the scenes videos, beauty tips, you name it, she's sharing it. It's like having Daisy as your BFF, but better. What's next for this curvy queen? With all she's achieved, Daisy's future is looking brighter than her highlighter, and trust me, that's saying something. We might see her branching out into fashion design, writing books, or even producing her own shows. The sky's the limit for this curvy sensation. As the fashion world finally wakes up to the need for diversity, Daisy's perfectly positioned to lead the charge. She's not just changing the game, she's rewriting the rules. Daisy Garcia isn't just a model, she's a movement. From San Salvador to the streets of New York, her journey is a testament to the power of confidence, hustle, and keeping it real. As she continues to slay in her career, there's no doubt she'll keep shaping the fashion industry and inspiring millions worldwide. Watch out, world! Daisy's just getting started! Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing female models.